Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y35 and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this VIVO. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down. Then choose Apps section. Following that, scroll down again, choose App Clone and tap on the sweater next to one of your available apps that you wish to clone, in my case Facebook. Then wait a bit. And now when I go back, as you can see, my Facebook app was successfully cloned. If you wish to delete your app, you need to access the same settings, tap on the same No Blue sweater, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!